known among your friends as the king or queen of party hosting? If so, you're probably no stranger to cooking delicious foods for a lot of people. Cooking and keeping multiple dishes hot at once can be a challenge, unless you have the Crock-Pot Hookup Connectable Entertainment System. All the units in this system connect to each other, each with their own temperature controls. Up to 6 units can plug together into one outlet so your friends can bring their hot dishes along as well, with no more dangling cords or power strips. We offer a variety of quart sizes and color options, so you're sure to find the perfect one for each dish.
Do you enjoy Italian cuisine and dream of bringing it to your own kitchen? Introducing the Casa stainless steel pasta machine, the ultimate tool for making fresh Italian pasta dishes from the comfort of your kitchen. With our easy-to-use pasta machine, you can prepare 3 different types of pasta: lasagna, tagliatelle, spaghetti, or use the included ravioli mold to sculpt the perfect ravioli. Adjust the thickness of your pasta to your liking with just the turn of a knob. Choose from 9 different thickness levels to roll out the perfect pasta for your family. This pasta maker is made out of superior food-grade stainless steel, ensuring superior durability. The stainless steel rollers provide an even and smooth kneading of the dough, and their rough surfaces make pasta porous, helping it to absorb more flavor from your favorite sauce. The cutters are made out of aluminum to prevent metal from chipping off into your dough and offer a smooth, easy rolling experience. The package also includes a pasta cutter, so you can easily form and shape your favorite pasta. It has never been easier to prepare true, fresh Italian pasta dishes. From spaghetti with tomato sauce and tagliatelle with pesto to traditional carbonara or ravioli with ricotta, the options are endless. The Casa pasta machine. Fresh Italian cuisine right at your fingertips.
The Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press, constructed from high-quality food-grade materials. The sturdy ergonomic design makes it super easy to use for quick results and minimal effort on your wrists and hands. Meant to extract more garlic from your cloves. You can crush and mince garlic in one single move, yielding beautiful and delicious garlic pulp. Easy to clean and dishwasher friendly. A simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get yours today.